صباح الخير.
صباح النور صباح النور، كيف حالك؟ كيف حالك؟
كله تمام. الحمد
زينة؟
لله، وانت؟
زينة، كيف
كله
كل
زين.
شيء؟ كيف كل شيء؟
كل شيء كله تمام، وانت؟
كله أنا كويس أيضا، أنا طيب أيضا. ممتاز
الحمد لله.
ممتاز. Okay,
الحمد لله.
so uh, بكرة is a okay, so أفتح الكتاب and here is page number. Oh no, so it's, يفتح. يفتح is opening. يفتح. Okay, here is what is suppose here is what is صباح الخير صباح النور. Suppose I'm asking you, are you ready? Are you ready? So what is, are you ready? مستعدة 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 عدة مستعدة. Okay, here is I'm sharing a screen and write the word مستعدة. Okay, تمام. Is opening the file. So stop the sharing. Here is what is مستعدة. Okay.
That's okay, I got it.
Okay, so here is what is مستعدة.
مستحيل.
مستعدة word is مستعدة. So MUS mus and comma TAIDD. مستعد is addressing male. مستعد. Okay. مستعد addressing male. مستعد يا أنت مستعد. Are you ready? Okay. And addressing female. كيف قول? How to say?
مستعدة.
ممتاز. مستعدة. 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 Okay. One more word. One more word. Word is also is a common to say are you ready? And word is JAAHIZ. اقرأي. اقرأي. Read.
جاهز.
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 جاهز. Okay. And how to say addressing female male addressing female
جاهزة.
جاهزة. Okay.
جاهزة.
Yes. جاهزة. Okay. So مستعد or مستعدة or جاهز or جاهزة. Okay. So I'm asking you, أنت مستعدة? And your answer is yes or no. أنت مستعدة؟
نعم.
نعم أنا مستعد.
جاهزة.
نعم مستعدة. نعم جاهزة.
Okay.
نعم أنا جاهزة. نعم أنا
أنا جاهزة.
جاهزة. ممتاز. Okay.
How
So
do you say sorry again? L'être. Sorry for late.
let is يلا.
No, I mean like how do you say sorry for being late? There was a
Oh
word
yes,
that
sorry. آسفة. آسفة. آسفة
no, sorry.
للتأخير. Yes. آسفة للتأخير.
للتأخير.
أيوة. Okay.
The
So
word that I
answer is and how to say is no problem.
ما في مشكلة.
ممتاز. ما في مشكلة. ما في مشكلة.
Yes.
Okay. So here asking you where were we? فين كنا؟ يعني على أي سفر؟ فين كنا؟ Where were we? فين كنا؟ I think is a finish. I think okay. I think Shinu, right? Shinu finish what, right? Shinu.
Yeah.
Yes, Shinu
Can
finish.
we
Okay.
repeat the last part, the related vocabularies? The shinu, we did that.
Oh, خلاص. Yes.
No, we
Okay, now
did.
is day
You
four.
said that. No,
أيوة, day four. This is day four.
day
Okay.
4. Where? Yeah.
ممتاز. Okay, so day four. So we have done how, كيف in Arabic, and what is a what in Arabic?
What is
أيوة.
shinu?
Shinu. ممتاز. Shinu.
Yeah.
And next word is where. And where in Arabic, there are two dialects. You can say when or fain. When or fain. Here is what is fain, right? See here? Fain, okay? Yes.
Yeah.
So, okay, simple question.
What's the other one?
Other one is when, okay? See, when, I think, okay. You will find I think, in next page, maybe.
What's the most, because I like to learn, because a lot of my friends are Sudanese. What's the more Sudanese way? Is it when?
When. When or fain? When or fain? Both are common.
Okay, I'm gonna. Okay, I will go with the when.
You can write it. WEN. WEN. When. Okay. WEN. When.
So, just one clarification. So, what is shinu? When mata, when is when, right?
Okay.
Okay, I just want to double check.
And when, and just also is fein or
Okay.
when. Okay.
I like when because all my
When?
friends are.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. No problem.
No.
Okay.
So
Okay.
whenever,
Okay.
okay, just
Tamam.
1 second. Whenever you are teaching me,
Mhm.
because my friends are all Sudanese, so it would be easier for me to learn that version if you know it.
Okay. Okay. Yes. But I found fein or when both are common. Okay.
Okay.
So I found. Okay.
Sounds good. We'll do,
Yes.
I'll
Yes.
put both.
Thank you. Okay. Mashkur. Mashkur. Okay. Mashkur. Thanks. Shukran or mashkur also. Mashkur. Okay, so just as okay to simply just reply, suppose when inti, and your answer is suppose I am at home, I am in the
And
office,
if
I
he
am at the
bait.
airport. Yes, when inti
And if he bait.
and fi bait. Okay, so here we will learn some common places. Okay, suppose I am at airport word. Okay, no problem. Airport word is a just write down is M-A
Samahatar?
no matar
Matar.
M-A-T-A-A-R M-A-T-A-A-R. Ikrai, read
Matar.
matar. Okay, so matar is airport. Okay, one more word is very common. Okay, how to say is a in market is market.
Yeah.
Market
Ila soup.
souk. Mumtaz. What's the word
What
is
was ila again?
no, not ila, just souk. Ila is two. Ila
Okay, but
only
so
souk.
read just 1 second.
Aywa.
Read the thing that you wrote. So it says, I'm going to the market. Ana ruh ila soup is what you have.
Mumtaz. Okay.
What's ila soup? What's ila?
Ila is two. Two.
Oh,
Ila is two. Mumtaz.
gotcha.
Okay. Mumtaz. Okay. And what's the word is a restaurant?
I don't remember.
Okay, no problem. Mat'am. Mat'am. M-A-T, M-A-T, comma, A-M, mat'am.
Mat'am.
Mumtaz. Now, what's the word is hotel in Arabic? Hotel.
I don't know.
Okay. Funduk. Okay. Funduk. Okay. F-U-N. F-U-N-D-U-K. Funduk. Funduk. Okay. Now repeat it. Okay. What's the word is Bait is house. What's the word office?
Office is Maktab.
Maktab. Mumtaz. Okay. And what's the next word is a airport?
Matar.
Mumtaz. Matar. Mumtaz. And restaurant?
Matam.
Mumtaz. Okay. And hotel?
Funduk.
Funduk. Okay. And market?
Soup.
So one more word is garden. And garden word is hadiqa. Hadiqa. Okay. So H-A-D-I-Q-A-H. Hadiqa.
And then Kenya asked, what is hospital?
Hospital, yes. Mustashfa. Mustashfa. Three syllable. Mustashfa. Okay. M-U-S. Mus. And T-A-S-H. Tash. And F-A. Mustashfa. Okay. Ikrai.
And then school. Mustashfa.
Aywa, mumtaz.
School is what?
Mustashfa.
School.
School. Madrasa. Madrasa. M-A-D. Mad. And comma. R-A-S-A-H, madrasa. Okay, so now here I add two more words. Okay, madrasa and college and university. Okay, so and college is
those are written somewhere.
College.
Okay, what is college again?
Kulliya. K-U-L-L-I-Y-A-H. Kulliya. K-U-L-L-I-Y-A-H. Kulliya is college.
Okay, and then
University, Jamia, J A J. Just write J double A is a long is a prolonged Ja.
yeah.
So J double A M I Y A H Jamia. Okay, and suppose
And then
yeah.
sorry, go ahead.
Okay, I think just here suppose uh, restaurant. Okay, any restaurant name, any place name, comes after. Suppose first word is suppose airport, right? So how to say Hamad Airport, right? So name comes after always. Okay, so
So it's
for the
Matara Al-Hamid.
yes, Matar Hamad. Mumtaz.
Okay.
Now is the restaurant. Suppose a restaurant name is suppose is Shalimar. Is the name Shalimar? So how to say
Yeah.
Shalimar restaurant? Shalimar name comes after.
Shalimar Matam.
No,
Okay.
Matam comes first. No, Shalimar comes after. Name comes after.
Okay, Matam Shalimar. Okay.
Matam Shalimar. Okay, and suppose a hospital, and hospital name is suppose Nasim Al Rabi. Nasim Al Rabi. So Nasim Al Rabi Hospital.
So Mustashfa Masil Al
Rabi.
Rabi.
Okay. Yeah, Hamad. The name comes after Mustashfa Hamad.
Mustashfa Hamid.
Mumtaz.
Okay.
Now one more word is a funduk. Suppose suppose any suppose
That's okay. I understand. You're telling me that for all of them, the name comes after. It's
yes.
the building, the name, and then that.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Fahimti. Fahimti.
Fahimd. I have a question. So
Okay.
you said Ila?
Say in Arabic. In the sual.
Oh,
In
معلش. Yes.
Okay. Say.
In Sudan.
Okay. Faddali. Faddali. Okay. Aywa. Faddali. Okay. Go ahead. Yeah. Proceed. Faddali.
Yeah. So for Ila is 2.
Aywa.
Is 4.
Aywa.
What are the other things like that?
No. Sorry. Ila is not 4. Ila is 2. Ila is
no.
2.
That's what, so. Just listen to what I'm saying. Ila is 2. Min is 4.
Min is from.
Min is from.
Aywa.
In is fi.
Aywa.
Wa is end.
And aywa. Mumtaz.
Am I missing anything? 2 from.
Okay.
In. And
okay. Yes, and just add one more word is a for, and for is li.
4. Yeah.
Yes. For is.
4 is.
Yes.
Okay. I'm sure they will be coming, but I just don't see them. Okay.
Yes. So now I'm asking you. I'm going to make 3 questions about you, about third person male, about third person female. Yes. About you. Okay. When inti alhin? Yeah. When inti al-an? Where are you now? When inti alhin?
Now. And if you wait.
And if you wait. Okay. Now about third person male. When huwa? Where is he? Okay. When huwa?
هو في بيت. هو في مكتب.
هو في مكتب. ممتاز. هو في مكتب. ممتاز. And when here?
هي في مستشفى.
هي في مستشفى. ممتاز. هي في مستشفى. ممتاز. Suppose هي في مستشفى. So I want to ask a further question.
Sure.
What happened to her? Okay, so here is what is just I think we will learn in next next pages.
Yeah.
You can say ashar beak, ashar biha, ashar. Okay, I'm writing here. I think it is important.
What's ashar? What does that mean?
Ashar means what happened. Okay, here is what is. Write this. Ashar.
How do you spell it? ASHAAR?
Okay. Just a minute. Ashar. Yes. ASH. Ash and SH double AR. Ashar means happen. Okay. So and here is what is here is what is ASH Ash. Here is what is Ash. Ash is also a dialect of what? Okay. It's a dialect. You know Shinu, right? Shinu.
Can you say Shinu Ashar as well?
Okay. So Ashar is also a dialect for what? For what?
Okay, but let's. Okay, Shinu Ashar is normal to say as well?
No, but for those with this sentence, don't use shinu.
Yeah.
I heard
Okay.
many times. Yes, just say ashar. It is a beautiful combination. Okay, so don't change any other word. Okay, just ashar. It's a dialect. Ashar.
Just use Ashar. Okay.
Ashar. Ashar. What happened and how to say what happened to you. So here is what is a phrase. Here is what is phrase is be. Okay, ashar be what happened to. What happened just to. Be here is just to, and you can use it as a what is a big or ashar big what happened to you, and ashar what happened to her. So how to ask for her, right? Ha, right? Ha, ashar biha, ashar ha is her, right?
When do you use ila for two? When do you use be
Yes,
for two?
okay, ila is two. Ila is two. We are using ila two for distance. Okay, for distance. Here is be, actually naj is two. It's a phrase. Suppose in English, uh, in English, we are saying what happened to, but in Arabic actually what happened with her. Actually, be means with. Actually, with means be means with in Arabic. Okay, so phrase is changed. Okay, we are saying we are saying in English what happened to her, and here we are saying in Arabic what happened with her. فهمتي?
Okay.
It's a phrase.
Yeah.
Okay.
Gotcha.
So just learn this sentence. Okay, you can use it in daily conversation. Okay, ashar biha, ashar biha. And now what happened to you? Ashar big, ashar big, big. Mumtaz. Okay. So, but further question. Okay, just say okay, no problem. He is fine. Okay, simple. Okay, or yes. So you said she is in hospital. Okay, I'm asking again. Okay, when here?
هي في مستشفى.
Okay, ashar biha, ashar biha. What happened to her? Ashar biha.
I don't know.
I don't know. Yes. So what is it? I don't know.
What? I don't know. I forget.
أنا ما أعرف. أنا ما
أنا ما
أعرف.
أعرف.
Yes. أنا ما أعرف. أنا ما أعرف. وأنا ما في معلوم. أنا ما أعرف. أنا ما في
Or I don't know.
Okay. So أنا ما أعرف. أنا ما أعرف. Oh, I don't know. أنا ما في معلوم. Okay. So أنا ما أعرف. أنا ما في معلوم. Okay. Now here change name. Okay. Suppose when huwa and huwa change and pronoun change into a proper name. Suppose when Muhammad. Okay. So instead of huwa, you can say proper name. When Muhammad.
محمد في فندق.
في فندق. When Fatima.
فاطمة في مطار.
مطار. ممتاز. فاطمة في مطار. Okay. And when مدير.
مدير في مدرسة.
في مدرسة. when مديرة.
مديرة في مدرسة.
مديرة في مدرسة. أيضا. Suppose also. مديرة في مدرسة. Suppose answer is same, you can say أيضا also. Okay. Yes. مديرة في مدرسة أيضا. مديرة في مدرسة أيضا. Now here you can use instead of name, proper name, instead of pronoun, here we are using attribute, any adjective name, any adjective. Suppose friend. Okay, and friend is what is Sadiq. Okay, when Sadiq inti, when Sadiqa inti, when Sadiqa inti.
صديقة في بيت.
Sadiqa في بيت. Okay, and when akhu, when akhu inti, your brother. You when
أخوي في بيت.
أخوي في
بيت.
في بيت أيضا. أخوي في بيت أيضا. ممتاز. and when أختك, when أختك,
أخي في
أختي sister.
أختي في مدرسة.
خلاص مدرسة. Okay, and now is two more words. You know student male and student female. What is student male?
Don't tell me yet.
Okay.
تعليبة.
ممتاز. طالبة.
I didn't
Okay.
cheat. I didn't get there.
Okay. ممتاز. مبروك. مبروك. Okay. So ممتاز. Okay. And how to say new student? Where is new student? What is the new word?
غادي.
جديد. جديد.
جديد. جديد.
جديد or
like
جديد.
شديد but جديد.
أيوة. So جديد or جديد. Okay. وين طالب جديد? Suppose here is meaningful word. Suppose in classroom. Okay, here I add one more word, classroom. Classroom word, just write down اكتبي غرفة. GHUR FAH F for France FAH غرفة. Read it. غرفة فصل FA again France F for France FASAL فصل.
Isn't Fasal season?
Yes. Okay, yes. Fasal is season also. Okay. Yes.
So
with this word. Okay. But in this word, with this word, you can use is a class. Okay. غرفة فصل. غرفة.
So غرفة, it's a one word. It's not two word.
Yeah, two word. It's a two word, but it's a compound. It's a compound. Okay. غرفة actually room. غرفة is a room. غرفة
is room and Fasal is what?
Fasal is here is class. Okay. Class. Okay.
So there are Arabic words that will have two meanings as well?
Yes, maybe. Yes. Okay. Gurfa fasal. Okay. Suppose is a two meaning, but you can use it according to a context. Okay. Suppose how many season and kam fusul fi Qatar and kam fasal fi Qatar. So here is context is you are asking about season. Okay. Where is
Sorry,
teacher?
Just 1 second. Slow down again. Gurfa means what?
Room. Room or room. Okay.
Yeah.
Gurfa is room. And fasal is here is class. Okay. So Gurfa fasal classroom. Gurfa fasal classroom.
Okay.
Tamam? Okay. So I'm asking you where is new student, and your answer is he is in classroom. Okay. So when talib jadid?
هو في قفل الفصل.
ممتاز. هو في غرفة الفصل.
غرفة فصل.
Yes. You can say غرفة and الفصل in separate. غرفة الفصل. غرفة فصل or غرفة الفصل. Okay.
الفصل. Okay.
So غرفة الفصل. Okay. So when طالب جديد and asking about girls is a girl student. Okay. So when طالبة جديدة. When طالبة جديدة.
Sorry, say that again. What are you asking me? Say
when
that slow.
طالبة. Okay. Addressing.
The girls, the new students.
Yes, new student. Yes, it's female.
Okay.
So when طالبة. Okay. So when طالبة جديدة.
أيضا.
أيضا. هي أيضا. ممتاز. Okay. And when what's the teacher word?
مدرس or مدرسة.
ممتاز. مدرس or مدرسة or معلم معلمة. أيوة.
Yeah.
So when معلم جديد.
معلم في غرفة. So can you GHURFAN?
H for horse. House.
Okay. غرفة فصل.
ممتاز. غرفة فصل. Okay. So when معلم جديد and هو في غرفة فصل. ممتاز. And suppose he is in office. He is in office.
هو في
أيوة.
مكتب.
هو في مكتب. ممتاز. هو في مكتب. ممتاز. Okay. And here suppose here is what is where is Madam Fatima? Okay. So what is the madam word?
Siada?
Yes. Okay. Sayyida.
Sayyida.
Sayyida. Okay. Repeat again. Sayyida.
Sayyida.
Mumtaz. So where is when Sayyida Fatima? When Sayyida Fatima?
هي في بيت.
Yeah, right. Mumtaz. Okay. Yes, Mumtaz. Okay, so here is a when inti, ana fi bait and ana fi bait. Okay, I'm asking you when inti, where are you going? When inti ro?
Where are you? أنا روحي في مكتب.
Okay, so ana ro ila maktab. To ila.
Oh, because there's two.
Okay, so ana ro ila maktab. Ana ro ila souk. Okay, here is what is Nabil is a name, is a boy's name. Nabil. When Nabil? When Nabil? When
Do you
Nabil?
want me to answer?
Any, suppose he is in classroom, he is at home, he is in the
Speak
car.
up then.
Okay, when Nabil?
نبيل في بيت.
And here is more, here is a one common word, and he is on the way. What a way word? Way. Very common word. Okay, tariq. Okay, tariq. Tariq. Okay,
Can you
tariq.
spell that?
Okay, T-A.
Yeah.
T-A-R-E-E-Q. Tariq. T-A-R-E-E.
That means way.
Way. Tariq. Okay, tariq means
What
way.
does on mean?
Or you can say on. In Arabic, you say in Arabic say on the way. In Arabic phrase say in the way. Okay, so no, on the way, in the way in Arabic. So how to say?
So it's في طريق.
Mumtaz. Huwa fi tariq.
So is there a word for on or no?
No, on is there. Allah is on. Is Allah. Allah. Okay.
Ala?
Is
Ala,
on.
A-L-A?
Ele. Allah. Yes. Aywa.
Sorry, I'm not listening. Can you repeat? How do you spell it?
A-L-A. A-L-A. Allah. A-L-A. Allah. Okay. But in Arabic phrase, say in the way. Okay. And huwa fi tariq. Okay. I'm asking you again. Okay. When Nabil?
نبيل في طريق.
Nabil fi tariq. Ya huwa fi tariq. And suppose he is in the car. He is in the car.
هو في سيارة.
Huwa fi sayyara. Huwa fi sayyara. Okay. And here is a I want to add two more common word. Okay, is standing or sitting. Two words: sitting or in standing. Okay, so first word is sitting, and sitting word is write down iktabi J-double-A J-double-A-L-I-S jalis. Okay, and for female,
Jalisa.
Jalisa. Mumtaz. Okay, so Jalisa. Mumtaz. Okay, now next word is standing, and standing word is W-double-A. Okay, G-H-I-F. Wagif. Aywa?
Wagif. Okay.
Wagif. And for female? Wagifa. Okay, so you can say when Nabil and say he is sitting in the car. Okay, or he is sitting in the car. Yes, when Nabil?
Nabil Wagif fi.
Sitting.
Oh, sitting is Jalis. Okay, Nabil Jalis.
Jalis. Long vowel. Jalis.
Nabil Jalis fi sayara.
Mumtaz. Nabil Jalis.
So sit and seating the same thing for you guys.
Sitting. No. Sit word is different. Sitting. Sit word is different.
What is the word?
Sit word is ijlis. Okay. Ijlis. Suppose you are asking someone, sit please. Okay. So
yeah.
Ijlis mean fadlik. This word is ijlis. Here is sitting word as a noun. Suppose in any misal, any masalan. Here is what is write down masalan means example. For example, masalan. MASALAN. Masalan.
Okay. So sit is ijlis. AJ. Can you spell that?
Mumtaz. Okay. Ijlis is sit. Okay. and sitting is jalis. Masalan, for example, suppose he is sitting on the chair. He is sitting on the chair. Okay. Keep cool. How to say? He is
I don't
sitting.
know what chair is.
Okay. Chair is kursi. Kursi.
Oh, kursi. So, huwa jalis kursi.
Ala.
Tik.
Ala. Ala.
Ala. Ala on the chair. Oh, yes. Ala. Okay. What's stand?
Sat. Sat.
Hmm?
Sat.
Stand. Stand. So, seat is ijlis. Stand is?
Stand.
Stand. Wagif.
Wagif. Aywa. Wagif.
What's
Wagif.
stand?
Is imperative? Imperative? Imperative word? Like ijlis?
Yeah.
Imperative. Imperative is stand is say is a you can say stand up, right? Stand up is two word. You are asking someone stand up.
Yeah.
Okay. Say what is gum.
Say, can you stand?
Yes. Gum. Gum. GHUM. Gum. Okay. GHUM. Gum. Okay. Mumkin gum. Can you stand? Okay. Or you can say stand up. Gum. Okay. Stand up. Gum. So how to say stand up and sit? How to say both words? Just repeat both words. Stand up and sit.
Ijlis wagum.
Yeah, ijlis wagum. Wagum wa ijlis. Yes. So gum wa ijlis wagum. Okay. So gum you are asking someone stand up please. Stand up please. Gum min fadlik.
Okay.
Tamam? Gum min fadlik. You are asking someone sit please. Okay. Ijlis min fadlik. Gum min fadlik. Or ijlis min fadlik. Okay, but here is what is standing. So masalan, for example, and he is sitting on the chair, huwa jalis ala kursi, or he is standing in front. He is standing. He is standing. You can say here is what is just add more. What is in front of in spoken Arabic? What is Giddam in front of the house? Giddam. Just write down one word. Giddam in front of. Giddam. Okay. Giddam. GHI double D double AM. Giddam. Okay. The Giddam is very common expression is in front of. And I'm asking you when Nabil and he is standing in front of the house. Yes.
Huwa wagif.
Wagif. Wa is a long word. Long. Wagif. Yes. Huwa wagif.
Wagif. Gedam.
Huwa wagif. Giddam. Giddam.
Gedam al-bayt.
قدام البيت ممتاز قدام البيت قدام okay so dagiga just I receive one mail just I'm receiving one call just a minute.
Yeah, sure. I'll get water.
Okay.
How do I get it?
أيوة آسفة. آسف أيوة. دناية تسمعني؟
Sorry, I was getting coffee
أيوة
as well.
أيوة أيوة. Okay. Here is what is. Here is one more. What is a. Okay. So Asif. Asif for interrupt. Okay. Here is what is. Asif li muqata'a. Repeat it. Li muqata'a. Muqata'a.
Wait. Where are you? Where are you? Are you just
No, I'm not even here. I'm not anywhere. Okay. I'm asking you.
Oh, okay. So
Okay.
what? Okay.
Yes. Okay. So okay. So sorry for interruption. Word is word is muqata'a. Muqata'a. Okay. Muqata'a.
Mukata.
Okay. So
Yeah.
muka muqa and space muqa ta
Mukata.
no,
Okay.
ta again comma muqata'a. Muqata'a. MUK.
Okay, and that is
Okay.
interruption.
Okay, interruption. Okay. So sorry for interruption. Keep cool. Scout say.
Say
Asif.
that again. Asif mukata'a.
Asif muqata and for li muqata. Okay.
Okay. Asif li mukata.
ممتاز. Okay. So
ما في
آسف
مشكلة.
لمقاطعة ما في مشكل.
ما في
شكرا.
مشكلة.
مشكور. Okay. Okay. So أنا أروح إلى السوق and when Nabil. Okay. So when Nabil is I'm asking you again. Okay. When Nabil and your answer is and he is standing in front of the house. Okay. Yes. When Nabil.
Nabil.
Standing.
Nabil wagif.
Not wagif. Wagif. Long vowel.
واقف
أيوة.
واقف
أيوة.
واقف
أيوة.
قدام البيت.
ممتاز. So Nabil واقف قدام البيت. Okay. And here is a very common one word is what is the word is two word gate and door. Gate. What's the gate word first? Gate word is write down iktabi bawaba BAWA BAWA BA. Okay. Bawaba. Bawaba is gate. Okay. What's the word is door? What's the word door?
Don't know.
Bob. Okay, Bob. So BAAB. BAAB. Bob. Okay.
Wait. I live at a tower named Bab. Is grandmother.
Is mother. Yes. Is mother.
I knew that. Bab is door. I remember that. Okay.
Yes. Okay. So Baba. Okay. Or he's standing at the door and huwa waqif fi bawab or fi bawaba or fi bab. Okay. Mumtaz.
Ijlis is stand. Ijlis is sit. Stand is gum.
Gum. Khalas.
Okay. Gotcha.
Okay. And stand, you can say just stand up. Yes, correct. Okay. Okay, so
Gotcha.
yes, when Nabil and huwa fi maktab ya huwa jalis in the car, or inside the car, inside. Okay.
I'm saying fi sayara, but I feel like inside is different.
Okay. Yes, correct. Okay. Inside what is dakhil? Dakhil. DAAKHIL. Dakhil. Okay, Ikrai, repeat it. Takarrar.
Dakhil.
Okay, so now you say, and he is sitting inside the car.
Huwa wagif.
Sitting.
Oh, sitting. Jalis. Jalis. Huwa jalis. Dakhil. Sayara.
Not fi. Huwa, no fi. Just dakhil again. Direct. Okay. Huwa jalis. داخل سيارة.
هو جالس داخل سيارة.
ممتاز. هو داخل سيارة. And suppose one minute. when انت suppose I'm inside the car. when انت
أنا جالس داخل سيارة.
ممتاز. داخل سيارة. ممتاز. ممتاز. one more word is داخل مطار. what is a car is a سيارة, and what is a aeroplane?
I do not know.
طائرة. Okay, TAA تا and IRA, comma IRAH. Okay, طائرة. So
sorry,
yes,
say that again.
So when in طائرة TAA comma IRAH. طائرة. Okay. So when in so I'm inside the plane. When in
أنا داخل طائرة.
أنا داخل طائرة. أنا
How do you say
داخل
outside?
outside. Yes, very common word. برا. BARRAH. برا. BARRAH. برا. Okay. So برا. So برا. برا is outside. So داخل inside and برا is outside. Okay. ممتاز. Okay. So أنا أروح إلى okay وفي مكتب.
So for the related sentence, a lot of them are the same that we were talking, but I want to make sure to pronounce. How do you say company?
Company. شركة.
Mobile is what?
جوال. Okay, تمام. أيوة. جوال is mobile. أيوة.
Parking is, how do you say that?
Parking is موقف. Yes. أيوة. موقف. MAUGH.
It's spelled here.
Yes. Okay. Yes. Correct. Okay. موقف. Okay. ممتاز.
So company is شركة.
ممتاز. أيوة.
Mobile is جوال.
أيوة.
Table is
طاولة.
طاولة.
Chair.
Car is سيارة. Parking is موقف.
Okay.
Garage is ورشة.
ممتاز. ورشة. ورشة. Okay. ورشة. Chair.
كرسي.
ممتاز.
And then embassy is
سفارة.
And hotel, فندق, we talk about it. Restaurant is
مطعم. أيوة.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
تجيب جواب. Okay. Give answer. Okay. Quickly. Okay. So when here is what is Zainab. And Zainab is girl's name. Zainab. When Zainab.
Where are you?
Is page number 25. Last line. When Zainab.
Okay. So yeah, those are the same. So I'm just trying to underline things that I don't know. Like the when Zainab, when Ahmed, all of them are the same.
Correct.
But
same.
When you say where is mobile, like mobile is a new word for me. He is like certain. So that's what I'm trying to find.
Key.
Huh?
Key. What is the word?
I don't know key.
Okay. No problem. We'll learn.
How do you say next to?
Next to word jump. JAMB. You can say jump. Okay. Jump. So don't pronounce N sound. Just jump. JAMB. Jump. Okay.
Jump.
Yes. Next.
So it's an N, but you pronounce it as an M. Jump.
Yes. Jump. So next to. Okay. Suppose next to my house. Okay. Next to my house. Jump.
Next to, so you can say jump ila bait.
No ila. Okay. Just jump means next to. One word. Okay.
Oh, okay. The next to. Oh, I'm saying next to too. That doesn't make sense.
No. Okay.
Okay, and then so next to is jump. I know hospital, garden. How do you say garden again?
حديقة.
أيوة. And how do you say washroom?
Washroom is two words. You can say hammam is a toilet, hammam, or you can say daura miyah. Dawra is a new word. Washroom.
Dawra.
Miyah.
Or hammam. How do you say? How do you spell it? H-A-M.
Hammam. H-A double M double M double A-M. H-A double M. Okay. Double A-M. Hammam.
Okay. So when you say upstairs and downstairs, is it the same as upstairs would be like فوق, and downstairs and
تحت. أيوة.
up and down are the same?
Yes, yes. Up and down.
Upstairs and downstairs.
تحت. Okay, فوق تحت. ممتاز.
Okay. Sorry, I'm just trying to. I have a meeting and.
No, it's good, good, good. It's very good. It's very good.
I'm just trying to underline words that I don't know.
Yes, it's common. These words are common, very common. Okay, so now here,
These are on page 26, by the way. I'm just looking at the page 26 that you gave me.
No problem. Okay, no problem. So just here is a reply again. Okay, page number 25 is last line. When Zainab?
Zainab fi bayt.
Okay, Zainab fi bayt. Okay, here is a hiya fi. She's in school. Page number 26.
Yes. Hiya fi madrasa.
Hiya fi madrasa. And suppose if Fatima, suppose you are calling Fatima and asking her, where are you, oh Fatima? So, okay, suppose you are Fatima, I'm calling you. When inti ya Fatima? What is your answer? When inti ya Fatima?
So it should be inti, right? Not inta?
Inti Fatima, right? Addressing Fatima.
Sure. But in the book, you want it's inta. So correct it.
No problem. Inti or anti, same thing. Okay. Anti
okay.
Or inti. Okay. So when inti ya Fatima?
Ana.
أيوة.
No. Fatima. داخل سيارة.
أنا داخل سيارة. ممتاز. أنا داخل سيارة. ممتاز. أنا داخل سيارة. ممتاز. And now here is related sentences. Okay. And here is Abu. Okay. So Abuak and Abuik. When Abuik? When Abuik?
أبوي في بيت.
ممتاز. And he's in office.
هو في مكتب.
ممتاز. Okay. And when أمك? When أمك?
هي في بيت.
ممتاز. And when صديقك or صديقك, okay.
صديقة.
Suppose صديقة, or you can say صديقتي. What is a very common expression? Suppose is a girlfriend, is a female friend. صديقتي is a very common expression. Okay.
صديقتي في.
أيوة.
فندق.
صديقتي في فندق. صديقتي في فندق. And okay. And صديقتي في فندق. And here is the word is, suppose she's in the company. She's in the company. Yeah, he's in the company.
هو في شركة.
Okay. When جوال. And when جوال. And where is your mobile? When جوالك. And you're suppose on the table.
جوال في. No. جوال إلى. على. Yes. جوال على تعويلة.
ممتاز. جوال على طاولة. ممتاز. Okay. And when سيارة. And when سيارة in the parking. when سيارة.
سيارة في موقف.
في موقف. ممتاز. سيارة في موقف. ممتاز. سيارة في موقف. Okay. And yes, سيارة في موقف. And here and page number is 27.
In the سؤال.
in the سؤال. أيوة فضلي.
I don't really have a question. I just want to say I have a meeting. So I was going to say درس اليوم يا هندي هنا.
ممتاز. Okay. درس اليوم.
Yes.
درس اليوم. I want to suppose I want to finish. I want to
to say, can we stop here?
Stop here. Okay. Yes, so I want Ibbi wagaf. Ibbi, a very common expression. Ibbi wagaf. Wagaf means stop. Okay. Ibbi wagaf dars al-yawm hina. Ibbi wagaf. Okay. Ibbi wagaf.
Wagaf is stop.
Stop. Okay. So Ibbi is I want.
Ibbi again?
Ibbi is want. Ibbi is want. You can say ana Ibbi, I want. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Ana Ibbi wagaf al-yawm.
Al-dars. Dars al-yawm. Today's lesson. درس اليوم. درس اليوم. Okay, repeat again.
أنا أبي وقف.
أيوة.
درس اليوم هنا.
ممتاز ممتاز ممتاز. Okay, ما في مشكل.
Okay.
ما
Thank
في
you very much.
ما في مشكل. Okay, so yes إن شاء الله أشوفك في درس في درس تالي in next class in next lesson. Okay, when
دقيقة. Count.
متى. Okay, متى is where. متى is when.
No,
متى.
Yes.
Okay. اليوم. Okay, شنو يوم اليوم؟ شنو يوم اليوم؟
بعد بكرة.
بكرة. بعد بكرة. بعد بكرة.
ما في بعد بكرة.
بعد بكرة يعني يوم الأربعاء. يوم الأربعاء. ممتاز. أربعاء. الأربعاء. In Qatari dialect, Qatari says الأربعاء. الأربعاء. Repeat it.
الأربعاء.
أيوة. Okay, the next day. Okay, so inshallah شوفك يوم الأربعاء. Okay, كم ساعة? How? What time? كم ساعة?
Morning.
في الصباح؟
بالصباح صح.
في الصباح. في الصباح. in the درس الساعة 10. when?
10
in the درس ثاني. Okay, another class. in the درس ثاني الساعة 10. Okay, so اختيار ساعة آخر.
Okay, after that, whenever you're done, 11 or 12.
11 or 11:30 maybe.
Okay.
11:30 sure. Okay.
Okay. Can you send me your account information as well? I'll send you some money.
Oh yes, no problem. I will send. I will send.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so شوفك يوم الأربعاء إن شاء الله. Okay, في الصباح. ممتاز.
Perfect.
Okay, so يعطيك العافية. يعطيك العافية. No problem. Oh, no problem. مع السلامة and see you. إلى اللقاء. إلى اللقاء. إلى اللقاء. إلى اللقاء. Repeat again.
Perfect.
إلى اللقاء. إلى اللقاء. Okay, ممتاز. مع السلامة.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
ممتاز. مشكور.